Hello, Stan Bunker from United Learning's EdTech team, and we're taking a close look at assignments. And the final sort of assignment I'm going to look at is a form, which will be a quiz for the children to undertake. So I'm in my general channel and I'm going to click on the assignments tab and create a new quiz for the children to do as an assignment. I click create and then choose quiz. Now I've already prepared a form that contains the questions I want to ask. It's this one here. Divide shapes into equal size parts. You can though create a new form from this window. I'm going to choose this one and click next. It may take a moment or two for that form to upload to your assignment window. Make sure it does upload before you move on. Now the instructions are simply to complete the quiz. The mark scheme is based on the number of questions or marks available in the quiz. And I'm going to set the date for this for next Tuesday the 28th, and I'm going to set the time for 4 p.m. This is the deadline for handing in the quiz. I'm targeting all students, but you can set in a group of students by choosing them individually from your class list. When all the details are set, click Assign. Now what will happen is the pupils in your class will get a notification. That's the notification that the assignment has been set and the children will be able to access the quiz. I'm going to switch to a pupil's account now and have a look to see if the quiz is there. If I go to my activity feed, I will see the assignment is there. They'll also be able to pick that up in assignments. So if I click on assignments and choose the quiz, click on it, and I'll find the link to the form, which I can fill out using the Forms app. So a number of questions here about area. So I'm going to put in a few answers. When I've answered the questions, click Submit. I can then get some feedback immediately I've completed the form, because this form has all the answers applied to it already. See, this student got 3 out of 5, and they can review where they went wrong. Click Close when you've finished your review. Now as a teacher, I can go to my feed and see when pupils have handed the form or the quiz back in. So I'm going to have a look to view that assignment. The assignment that we were looking at is this one here, which was the divide shapes into equal size pieces. I can see that one of the pupils has handed in the work. The feedback's automatic for this and they scored 3 points. If I want to review the type of mistakes they made, I can click and review their work, see where the misconceptions are. I can also open in Forms, which will take me to my Microsoft Forms tab, and it'll open in there. And within Microsoft Forms, it'll place it in this area called Group Forms. And there's the particular form, Class 6B, 1 response. And I can also go straight to Forms to see all the different results as and when they come in. So Microsoft Teams assignments, it allows us to set a self-marking quiz that gives automatic feedback, and the teacher can then just access the results from that form when pupils hand it in.